Assalamu alaikum grade 3. How are you? And better you know that today is 8 April Wednesday and we are on second chapter of our syllabus and the sixth chapter number 6 of book. The topic is time. We have learned in previous lecture about time and clock. Now I will tell you about the analog clock and digital clock. We have two types of clock like this analog clock and this type is digital clock. Analog clock which we use commonly mostly on analog clock there are numbers given from 1 to 12 and it have two hands, big hand and short hand. Big hand stand for number, big hand shows numbers and minutes and short hand shows hours, but there is not any hand on digital clock. There are only some digits. Okay, and we will read times from there in the form of digits. Not we have not any numbers in orders, hands, each and everything. Simply we keep in mind that these right digits shows that minutes and the left digits show that's the hours. Mean to say like this, 8 is on the left side now, it shows that hours, and 15 is on right side, it shows that minutes. Simply there are some examples of analog clock and digital clock. Analog clock, this is 2:30 now, we will read it 2:30, and on digital clock this is the right side and this is the left side. This is the left side and we call the right side is minutes and the left side is hours and we call it 6:45. Okay, not any minute, half past, not any quarter, each and everything, only we will read it 6:45. Further I will tell you about the am and pm, that we have there is a thing that we have 24 hours in a day now. A day ends at midnight and new day begins at the same time at midnight. Okay, 24 day from 12 midnight to next 12 midnight to there is a gap from both in the between both, which is 12 noon. Before 12 noon the time between 12 midnight to midnight and 12 noon is called am, and the time between 12 noon to 12 noon to 12 midnight is called pm. Mean to say before 12 noon the time is in am, and before midnight after noon the time is in pm. Okay, we have learned about clocks, analog clock, digital clocks now, but now we will learn about minutes, hours, and how can we convert hours into minutes, how can we convert minutes into hours, each and everything. First of all, conversion of hours and minutes in exercise 6a. Today we will start our exercise 6a, and there was a which intro I have given you, it was necessary. Now there is conversion of hours and minutes. Remember that there are 6 minutes in an hour, that we have 60 minutes in an hour, and we can convert hour into minutes by multiplying by 60. If we have numbers in hours now, they said convert into minutes, then we multiply it this hour in with 60, then we find the minutes. Okay, this, for example, this is 1 hour now. How can we convert into minutes? We will convert it to minutes by multiplying 1 multiply 60, which the answer will be 60. So this is 60 minutes. 1 hour and 10 minutes. 10 minutes are already in minutes now. We will convert 1 hour into minutes. 1 hour, 1 multiply 60 minutes plus 10, 70. Similarly, they said that 2 hour and 15 minutes convert into minutes. 15 minutes are already in minutes now, and 2 hour. We will multiply 1 hour have 60 minutes now. We will multiply 2 with 60 minutes. Answer come 120. This 15 will be added in this and answer will come 135. Now we will start our exercise 6a. Okay, first question is fill in the blanks. A day has, you know that 24 hours, 12 to midnight and 12 after midnight, 12 to noon and 12 after noon. Okay, mean to say a day have 24 hours. There is second question, there are 12 hours between midnight and 12 hours. A day full day have 24 hours now, and 12 hours mean half hour, mean half day which is have to midnight, which have midnight and noon. If we read 12 midnight to noon, there are 12 hours. They are asking there are 12 hours between midnight and noon. And now question number C, 8 am is 9 hours after. They given 8 am and they said that we will go to 9 hour after. We will count 8 to 9 or next 8 9 10 11 12 13 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 12 a.m. is 9 hour after 11 p.m. When we will start from 11 p.m. and we will go to next 11 p.m. we will get